There are many tech software companies that claim to cover hundreds of exchanges. However, many customers are struggling with CSV uploads. Cointelli is actually tested and connected to each one individually. So let me show you how easy to upload CSVs. When you sign in to Cointelli, you can click Add Import and choose from various exchanges and wallets. For example, click Binance and you will see this page. You can simply drag your file into any of the related category or select your file in the Browse option. If you are having difficulties getting a CSV file from Binance, we have a video guide on this page. After selecting your CSV file, click Import. When the complete sign is shown on this page, you're done. Cointelli provides the easiest method of importing transaction data from across these platforms. Remember, if you have any questions, ask us in the live chat. Our real human professionals are here for 24/7 to assist with any of your needs.